going to need to find a way to get through that hyperdrive core. Is there anything nearby you could use as a makeshift explosive?
What up, Babs? It's your boy Young Bloods here with part 2 of Star Wars The Force Unleashed.
I'm picking up scraps of Rhodey's communication. You're approaching some sort of salvage operation.
I'll deal with them.
Ooh, that was cool. Don't want to die too quickly. Clear the throat. Those fucking skiffs. Not what I was aiming for. There we go. Oh, you're dead. Bye. Just keeping a major look around in case there's some holocrons about. I want to do that. Invincibility. Get out of here. Thing. Boom goes the dynamite. Oh, there. Hi. Can't save the throw, which is annoying, but I can do that. He did. Is there anything else? Where does the usually come from?
Eclipse to Starkiller. We're picking up a lot of movement beyond that hyperdrive core.
Those fucking bullet noises are annoying. Beep, 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 beep. Just get out of here. These were a waste. Bye-bye. blocked quite a lot of that fucking injury, but you did. Yep, he did. Force upgrade. Fuck, I have 4. It's up that force lightning then, mate. Speed, force recovery. Jeez, the amount of damage you take. Let's go for that. Oh, I don't think check the other one, but we'll let that one build up so I can get heaps at once. You know, I want more health. Oh my god, those bullet noises. Good of getting off. Get out of here.
Juno, I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. Are you picking up anything?
Just some panic transmissions. The scavengers didn't expect any droid resistance.
Get out of here. Lightning and they can't do nothing about it. Bye. Get out of here. Ooh, compressed red. Ooh, compressed red. Stop killing fucking skips. I believe I can believe. Now, that is not cool. Get out of here.
The scanners aren't picking up any power signatures from those droids. It's as if they're being powered by
The Force. that was a holocron for a second. It's just a light.
Tips to Starkiller. Watch your step. Readouts are showing a massive river of toxic hyperdrive plasma nearby.
I copy.
You'll need to find a way into the scavengers camp nearby. Head through the bottom of that blockade runner.
God, those skiffs are getting annoying. Night. Anything I'm missing? Get out of here. Gotcha. Transition. Back in the day when loading times were quick. Get out of here. No. Killed so many of them. Gotcha. Out of here. Holocrons up or something. Well, I pull that in. It's just like, let me open that for you. Fuck off. Ooh, gold. Ooh, gold. It's pretty much just orange. So many. I want to put them into the shield, but okay, that works. I'll deal with you later. Oh, it's going down. And it goes up. If you didn't know how a lift works, it goes up and down. Off. Oh my god, so much lightsaber colors. Chris yellow. Night night. Hello. Level up. You fuck off, you have annoying bullet sounds. Look at the force upgrades and see what we got. Seen that leveled up and found some spears. Oh, we got 6 combo ones. What have we got that we can get? YMB, a grapple maneuver that launches in the air. Oh my god, that's confusing. Spark X, Y, Y. Yep. Y and RT. Yeah. Can't get him pale yet. Just get that. Annoying. And let's do resilience. So I take less damage. Yeah, yeah, baby. Everywhere I go. Let's get out of here. Boom. later. There we go, got ya. Damage it. That works. No! Don't tell me I have to fight him again. I saw the Hulk on the thing that said before. If off. Scrap drone. Yeah, see how badass that was, you asshole? You like that, didn't you? Go. Go. Fuck off. Alright, I'll be with you in a minute, you asshole. Make sure I'm not in that spot this time. My thing recharged properly. Dead. Still dead. Crappy scrap drones. Yay! Oh my god, you assholes. This is what you get, motherfuckers. Three of you? That's just unfair. God. There we go. And lastly, get up to it and lock on. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's like the tips are touching. Oh. There we go. That's what I was wanting. Yeah. Yeah, you see that shit? Because I equipped it, I don't need equip it and I have to kill these dudes again, but more price to pay for this awesome looking outfit. They're not knocking me off again, you assholes. You guys fall in the pits. You're still up. Put you down again. Sometimes the cape's a little bit iffy, but Ow! Where my leg go? Fuck did that come from? Get out of here. Yay. Now, can I go here? Ah. Take that, bitch. Another level up, so close from the other one. There. Oh, that good. Semi-open. Oh, there's so much things here. Frick that. What does Vercrane do? Lightsaber, how attacks have a chance to do electrical damage. Yeah, we're a place where electricity is pretty much the primary weakness of these fuckers, so yeah, let's do that. Oh, already here.
Castor Paratus at last.
Don't worry, Masters. I'll defend you from this Sith trash.
I feel like there's some holocrons on it. Ow! Asshole.
The temple? You're beautiful temple.
Ow.
No!
Get out of here.
I will defend the Jedi Council.
You little fake one. Yeah, this will kick ass and I'm ready to do these already. That's not the waste of time. Huh? Trying to grab it.
Masters, give me the strength to kill this Sith.
Oh, it's in the air. That's loaded. Ow.
You are not welcome.
Neither are you. Okay, back to no, another junk fighter. Get out of here. What are you even holding on to? It's like you're holding on to in the air. Ow. Ow, asshole. Well, theoretically that should be death, but they know I'm here. Bam. Gone.
I'm sorry, Masters. I've failed you again.
Juno. I'm done here.
$13 out of 15. Fuck. I didn't get all the skiffs, but oh well. Only got 9. Alright.
My master, Kasdan Paratus, is dead.
Then there is but one more test.
I'm ready now.
No. You've defeated an old man and an outcast. You must face a true Jedi Master.
Who?
Master Shaak Ti, one of the last of the Jedi Council. You'll need the full power of the dark side to defeat her.
Yes, my master.
Assassins. Darth Vader has found us.
Perhaps. Maris, gather your belongings and go into hiding, just as we've practiced. Do not return until I summon you.
But Master, this is what I've been waiting for. Let me fight!
No. I will lead this assassin to the ancient abyss alone. You are not ready to face a Sith. You would surely be killed. Maris, we are among the last of the Jedi. While we live, the Order survives. I cannot allow you to be captured or killed by the Empire. Now please, go to the graveyard and wait for my summons. No. She hasn't been corrupted. Not yet. She's just afraid. May the Force be with you, Maris Brood.
I'm tracking your location. Just ahead, you should find a hollow fungus tower. You'll need to make your way through it.
And that'll do it for this time. We'll do this next time. So, smash the subscribe, comment, and this goes up, and peace.